An item that I recently bought are these IMAO pull clamp modules. And what they are is they're essentially a clamp, and then you have these little studs, pull studs, kind of like what are on your tool holders. And those are just mounted to either your vise or your fixture or sometimes even your part. And then you take and set your part down on these clamping modules, and then there's a screw on the side that then takes and sucks them down quite tightly, and then there's also ground surfaces to help them relocate. Where these things really shine is on much larger parts where you need to be able to put the pull clamps wherever you need them. IMAO has their Flex Zero bases, which are probably much better for smaller parts. But what's really nice about these guys is I can put them wherever I need them on the machine's table. And then sometimes even on really large parts, the customer will actually allow you to put the pull stud tapped holes actually in the part, which works out really quite nicely. The only real disadvantage is if you're doing smaller parts, there are 4 fasteners that you have to clamp and unclamp to remove your fixture or your part. And that's where the Zero Flex bases probably would work better if you primarily just do smaller parts. Whereas for us, a lot of the parts that we do are actually pretty decent in size and barely fit on the machine. And in those instances, we need to be able to put the pull clamp modules, wherever we need to. And also kind of a newer system or a newer concept that I've come up with is instead of sticking to like a standard grid pattern, the tooling plate on this machine is a piece of stress relief precision ground tooling plate, and I did all the machining in it myself, but it's actually meant to be sacrificial, meaning you put the pull clamps wherever you want, and then once this steel plate becomes a significant piece of Swiss cheese with a bunch of holes in it, then I'm just going to throw it away and buy another one, because the precision ground plate, to get it burned and stress relieved and ground and shipped to me, was only about $300. It was also quite easy to add the pull studs to this crappy old chuck that we had laying around.